Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add an eye blinking effect in Premiere Pro. First, go to your project panel and click on the new item at the bottom right part of the window and click on black video. Click on OK, and let's drag this black video at the top of our video on the timeline. Now let's go to effects and search for barn doors, and let's drag this transition at the start of the black video and at the end of the black video as well. Now let's click on the start transition of the black video and go to Effect Controls. From here, let's click on the arrow at the bottom to have this figure like this. Let's change the duration to 3 frames. Simply click on it and type in 3 and hit enter. And let's also check the reverse right here. Now let's select the end transition and we change the direction as well as the duration to 3 frames, but we will not check the reverse this time. Now let's right click on the black video on the timeline, click on the duration value right here, and we are going to type in 10, which gives us 10 frames for the black video. You can also modify it as you like. A higher value would make it slower and a lower value would make it faster. Click on OK, and that will shorten our black video. Zoom into the timeline. If we put the timeline slider at the start of our black video, we can see sharp edges of the black part. So to remove that, we can right click on the black video and click on nest. Click on OK to make it a nested sequence. Now let's go to effects and search for Gaussian blur. Let's drag this effect to our nested sequence. Let's go to effect controls, scroll down, and we're going to change the blur dimension to vertical. And for blurriness, we're going to change this value to 400. Or you can adjust it as you prefer and however you want it to look like. We can then duplicate it to create the blinking effect. Let's hold Alt on your keyboard and drag the nested sequence to wherever you want it on the timeline. And I'm just going to change the blurriness to 350 and duplicate my nested sequence again. And it should look like this. The value of blurriness is recommended to be 350 to 400. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.